Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today we will be looking at the FO32 V35 Eco fluorescent tube from Sylvania. This tube is the newer version of the FO32 735 Eco and features Octron Vivid Value Ecologic technology, meaning that these tubes are TCLP compliant and RoHS compliant, compatible with OSRAM's Quiktronic electronic ballasts, and are completely lead-free. This linear T8 fluorescent tube has a wattage of 32 watts and a voltage range of 120 to 277 volts. With an average instant start life of 18,000 to 22,500 hours and an average programmed rapid start life of 22,500 to 27,000 hours. This fluorescent tube can operate in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the ballasts you are using. Giving off 2,450 lumens of light and possessing a Kelvin temperature of 3,500, these T8 fluorescent tubes have a color rendering index of 90 and have a neutral white color tone, making these ideal for use in reception areas, retail settings, or any other places you would like to feel friendly or inviting. You can order this product from Sylvania and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos every week.